Hey, look what I found on the road. It's a briefcase, and it's full of money.
Whoa, that's incredible, Alex. Just imagine what we could do with all that money.
Yeah, but hold on, Lisa. Before we get too excited, shouldn't we do the right thing and report this to the police?
Seriously, Alex? Come on. This is like a dream come true. We could divide this money and change our lives completely. Think about it.
I get that, Lisa, but what if this money belongs to someone who's in a terrible situation right now? Maybe it's an old man's life savings, or perhaps it's someone's office funds, and their boss will go ballistic if they lose it.
You always have to be the responsible one, don't you? Look, I understand your concern, but we found it. It's not like we stole it from someone's hands.
That's true. But it's still the right thing to do. Imagine if we lost something valuable, and someone found it but didn't return it. We'd be devastated. We don't want to cause that kind of pain to someone else.
Fine, I see your point. But think about it, Alex. This money could change our lives forever. We could travel, buy that dream house, and live without financial worries.
Lisa, I know it's tempting, but happiness doesn't come from taking advantage of someone else's misfortune. We can find our own path to success without compromising our integrity.
You're so idealistic sometimes, Alex. Life isn't always fair, and sometimes you have to seize opportunities when they come your way.
I get it, Lisa, but I believe in karma. If we keep this money and it belongs to someone who needs it desperately, it will come back to haunt us in one way or another.
All right, let's say you're right. What's the plan, then? How do we find the rightful owner?
We can start by going to the police station and reporting our find. They can investigate and try to locate the owner. If no one claims it within a certain period, it may be legally ours.
Ugh, I don't like the idea of waiting around for something that might never happen. But fine, let's do it your way.
Thanks, Lisa. I knew you'd come around. It's the right thing to do, and I promise you, we'll find our own success through honest means.
Okay, let's get to the police station then. I hope whoever lost this money gets it back, and I hope we find our own path to success, just like you said.
That's the spirit, Lisa. Let's do the right thing, and who knows, maybe good things will come our way in the future.
Alex, do you really think we're doing the right thing?
I do, Lisa. I believe in the power of doing good, even when it's difficult. It's about the kind of people we want to be.
I get it, but it's just so hard to let go of this opportunity. You know how tough things have been for both of us lately. This money could solve all our problems.
I know, Lisa. Trust me, I've had those same thoughts. But life isn't just about solving problems. It's about how we solve them. Taking the easy way out might bring temporary relief, but it won't bring lasting happiness.
You always see the bigger picture, Alex. I admire that about you. I just wish it wasn't so hard.
I appreciate your honesty, folks. It's not every day we have people turn in something like this. We'll do our best to locate the owner. If nobody comes forward within a certain period, we'll start the process to legally transfer the money to you.
Thank you, officer.
Few months later.
Alex, Lisa, I have some news for you. We've exhausted all efforts to locate the owner of the money in the briefcase, and no one has come forward. According to the law, the money is now yours.
Thank you, Officer Rodriguez. We appreciate your help throughout this process.
It's a relief to finally have closure on this matter.
We hope you thoroughly enjoyed this conversation. If you're eager to further enhance your English skills, we warmly invite you to subscribe to our channel.